Okay, don't judge, hold your breath. It's pretty bad. Oh my God. Guys, this room is like, it gives me anxiety just looking at this right now. Oh my God. Okay, so I have piles of laundry. This is my laundry system is to just make piles of colors, which takes up space, makes me anxious. I also got YouTube lights, but now I need somewhere to store them. So this room is where I need to store them, and then this is where I dry my laundry, and then I also have my laundry rack, but then stuff piles up because I don't put it right away. So anyway, I feel like a good 20 minutes in here, I'll feel a whole lot better, but I just need to get this under control. Unfortunately, this room is always gonna, not always, for a couple of months is going to have stuff in here because I have, I don't know if you guys noticed, but in my master bedroom, I have new wood flooring. I used to have carpet, and all my bedrooms have carpet, like in here, but we're gonna be replacing it with this Pergo laminated hardwood, that I really like. Got it on sale, actually on clearance at Lowe's. So anyway, it's living in here until my dad has a chance to put it in this bedroom and in my office. So that's taking up a little bit of space, but it's also creating a place for me to like put crap on. So anyway, all right, let's get this taken care of. I can't take it anymore, and yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last
Okay, guys,
forever.
I've had
Stop in
this
time.
bag of stuff to donate sitting here for months. I'm going to
Hold
my car
tight,
right
hold
now
tight.
so that I do it tomorrow.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
Anything else I find that I'm trying to donate, I've just been sitting in this room and then put it in my car that way I can
Paint
use
the
it.
skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
this is my first experience with a steamer. I really like this thing. I was testing out my boyfriend's because I wanted to buy one and he was like, why don't you test it out? Because he doesn't really like it. But this worked well on this kind of fabric. I feel like the things from Old Navy, you know, like this kind of fabric that's really hard to iron, but it gets really, really wrinkly. I feel like that worked really, really well. I feel like in the camera it looks wrinkly, but in real life it really isn't. So yeah, I'm a fan of this. This is a Conair. It doesn't have a model number on it. I was just trying to figure that out because I think I want to buy the same one. Oh, actually it does. Model GS38. So anyway, all right guys, I think that is going to wrap up Tidy Up Tuesday for today. Sorry if it was a little bit of a boring video, but honestly I'm over it. Like I said, this is going to be a real life accurate depiction of what I do on a work night, so it doesn't always mean a dramatic transformation. Excuse me. It doesn't always mean a can't talk. It doesn't always mean a dramatic transformation on a work night. So I got done what I could, and now I'm gonna hop in the shower, I'm gonna watch some Bachelorette, and I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. So I hope y'all have a great night, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.